Tesla, the world's EV, and I just got some side mirror covers. Tesla, the world's EV, back with another video, guys. Sorry about the delay. I was in Utah camping, which I will be doing another video about that because I ended up not bringing my Tesla and I missed it. But anyways, this is about Hansshow.com sending me some side mirror covers that are the truth. Let's jump in.
Seas now, lost in the water, got me looking for the keys now. I don't know.
Now, have you guys banged your side mirror into somebody? Maybe somebody, ran a basket into your side mirror. Maybe you had a mean rock chip. Maybe you banged your side mirror up against the garage or something like that. Well, did y'all know that there's actually side mirror covers? Because I didn't necessarily until I kind of just stumbled across them. And so, Hansshow.com, the truth, high quality, love these guys. I've ordered a few things off of Hansshow and it's just grade A. Everything is grade A quality. Everything got here on time, as usual. And so let's jump into why and how I stumbled across them. Well, my previous Tesla, before I got the PPF, because I ended up getting PPF because I ended up seeing a few rock chips, but I've yet to get the PPF on my Juniper, which if you guys have been following me, I upgraded recently to the Model Y Juniper from the standard range, or excuse me, the standard range rear wheel Model Y that I had before. So anyways, a big rock ended up chipping one of my side mirrors. Now, PPF, this was before PPF because obviously PPF covers the side mirrors if you get that done, if you don't just do the front bumper, or some people do the whole car. I ended up not doing the whole car because I don't feel like that's necessary. So anyways, I ended up doing partial, which was the hood, the front bumper, and the side mirrors. But that was after I even knew that there were side mirror covers, because I don't know, I just didn't think that was a thing. But anyways, enough with the anyways. I ended up getting the side mirror covers sent to me from Hansshow.com. And if you guys have issues with, like I said, if maybe you already have a mark, even if you already have PPF and you got them PPF, it does add a little sleek look too, on top of it protecting point blank your side mirror covers, or excuse me, your side mirror. So they're literally like covers. Is so easy to put on. They snap right on. And if you see, they got matte black and gloss black carbon fiber style, right? And that pretty much matches with anything. And it does add like a little bit of like a sleek look, because obviously if you have a red Tesla or blue or silver, anything besides black, your side mirror covers are obviously the same color. So it does kind of add, gives it like cool little, a little contrast. You know what I mean? So getting back to not knowing that there were side mirror covers, I ended up stumbling across them and I was actually shocked that they made side mirror covers for the Tesla. So there's all sorts of accessories. It's not even just the side mirror covers, guys. If you go on Hansshow.com and you use Tesla World's EV, you can actually get 20% off of anything. And there are all sorts of accessories, because I'm pretty sure there are numerous of people out there that have no idea that there were side mirror covers. So that being said, I don't have to worry about rocks. I don't have to worry about anything, because yeah, PPF is awesome. PPF is definitely legit, but it ain't gonna stop everything. Well, this stops anything. I mean, it could be a boulder that, well, maybe not a boulder, right? But yeah, it can be a good sized rock, right? And it's going to pretty much prevent, your obviously your side mirrors from getting scratched or chipped or whatever the case is. So, also, like I said before, it does add a cool little sleek look, man. And I love the way they look. Now, the installation, guys, was so simple. Like I said, you just pop those things right on, and on top of that, you get the adhesive. It comes with the side mirror covers. Thank you, Hansshow.com. Loving the side mirror covers. And you guys should go check those side mirror covers out. But not just that, there's all sorts of different accessories on there, man. Once again, use Tesla Worlds EV and you can get 20% off. That's awesome. Wow. And that's all I have for you guys. And don't forget to check that video about me without my Tesla camping. Tesla, the World TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. But also, don't forget to visit Hansshow.com. Get 20% off if you use code Tesla Worlds EV. I am outros.